Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my Java course for complete beginners. Um, this is the part number 4 in this tutorial. Um, and we're gonna look at while loops. It's the first kind of loops I'm gonna teach you. So without further talking, let's get started. So here I'm using Eclipse IDE as usual. Click File, New, Java Project. I'm gonna call that tutorial 4, click Finish, and as usual I click on source folder, type new class. I'm gonna call that loops. So here you have your own structure of your class, so I'm gonna type main control space and enter, and here you get your main method. But I'm gonna just format this for easy read, so I'm gonna choose that, hit Control Shift and F, and Eclipse will automatically format that for you. So let's declare here a boolean variable and call that loop. I'll show you why this. I'm gonna give the variable here a condition, whether he is going to check that condition, and it will store the value or the result here. So if I type 5 greater than 4 and click semicolon, so it's basically storing a true value in this loop variable. So if I make this sound control space and type here loop, if I click Run button here, it will write true, and that's true. Obviously 5 is greater than 4, so it's going to store a true value in here, and I'm asking him to show that in console right here. So if I change that variable, so maybe is 5 smaller than 4, you will check that and store the answer in loop, and it will show me the answer here. So if I run this, pretty much it will show false, and that's obvious. So I showed you here how to make the condition and let's connect with it, but let's take the first kind of loops, and it's while loops, of course, and let's see how it basically done. So it's pretty much the same as you pronounce it, while loop. So it's gonna be while, make a parentheses here, get that blank for a moment, and make a curly braces, and Eclipse will automatically close that for you. So what's this? Whatever you're gonna write in here between the two curly brackets is going to be the code you want to execute if your condition is true. So where can I check my condition? It's right here between the two curly braces. Sorry, two parentheses. So if I type loop here, sorry, yes, you see Eclipse has highlighted that for you, which means you know what you're talking about. So is 5 is smaller than 4? No, it's false. So it's not going to execute the code you write here. But if you change that, maybe it's 5 greater than 4, that's obvious, right? That's true. So it's going to be true here. So basically, while loop execute whatever the heck in this curly parentheses, I don't know what they mean, if only this is true. So if I make this out hello, and if I run that, I will get an infinite number of executing this statement right here, because the condition will be always true for the infinity. Yes, 5 is going to be greater than 4, so this loop is going to be run forever. Let's close that right here, and I'll show you how to make an endpoint for your loop. It's great of type int value equal to 0. So yes. So we declare an int value or int variable right here, and store the 0 number in it. So we're going to ask him if value is smaller than 10. That's obvious, it's true. So it's going to execute that statement forever also. But I can give you your best practice. If you type value plus and simply what it does, it's I haven't talked to you yet about the plus sign. It's basically the same as your writing value equal value plus 1, and what it does here, it does take the old value of your variable and add 1 to it and store it back to the value. So here you're adding 0 to 1 and it's equal 1. It will store that 1 in the value, and it's going to execute that again. 1 plus 1 equals 2. It's going to store that in this value. In programming, equals doesn't mean equal, but it means assign or set. So we're setting this to this. So a shortcut used in many programming language, if you type ++, it will make the same thing here. So we have here 0 value set to this variable, and it's going to ask if the value is smaller than 10. That's true. It will show that, and it's gonna execute that and add 1 to the value of 0, and ask again if 1 is smaller than 10, and it's true. So it's going to execute that again and add, and will make that until it reaches a point until value is no longer smaller than 10. So if I run this, I will only get a 10 result here. Yes, it's already executed. So this is how you can put an end point for your while loop, and this is for this tutorial. I'm gonna ask you, please, if you like my video or my tutorial, please like, subscribe, and put your comments down below under the description, and I'll answer any question you can ask me, and hope to see you guys next time. Peace.